County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Norman, Oregon, 5 miles north of Goldsby, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Goldsby, Stanley Draper Lake, Stella, Lake Thunderbird, and Little Axe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Flood advisory.